Hi everyone, my name is Wise. Today I'm going to show you how organizations use AG5 to visualize and close their skill gaps, whether you have quality training requirements, production related requirements, or training requirements because of health, safety, or environmental, or even regulatory requirements. In AG5, you can all upload them so that when you look at a single employee, you can clearly see to what qualifications or trainings are they qualified or not. So for example, you can quickly see that Matthew Park has a requirement for certified welding inspector for his role welding operator, and also because level 3 is required because of his team manager. So you can see that level 4 is required because of his operator role, and level 3 is required for his team manager role. So per employee, you can quickly see how qualified they are. And also the colors are indications of whether something is failed, whether something has a warning period, expires soon to trigger email communications. But also it's an indication on a team level how many employees you need for a certain level and how many you actually have or how many gaps you have in your organization. Matrix, a manager can quickly see how qualified their team is. Additionally, of course, when someone has conducted their training, you can define different types of levels. You can add the level. You can also define the level the description of each level, add a remark, add the PDF achieve certificate, and then even save it. When you save that, you can even access all the data per employee, whatever role of multiple roles they have within their profile. Below, you can see all their portfolio, their skills portfolio. You can see also the history, what they have had achieved in the past and what they haven't achieved. And also you can add attachments, employee level attachments, or even training level attachments. So you can manage even the skills of within your organization on employee level. Additionally to that, you have the ability in AG5 to define requirements per workstation, per machine level, whatever type of structure you have organized your employees in. So for example, here we see machine ASAP Renegades ES300i, and this machine has 3 requirements. In AG5, you can easy as Lego add additional requirements to a certain machine, and automatically that will be available for all employees who are working on that machine. Additionally to that, in AG5, you have the expert finder, which allows you to find experts within your organization so that you can quickly see, okay, who is qualified to, for example, who is qualified to composite aerospace wire and cable and assessment of a team. You can then generate a list of employees most qualified for your search criteria. Additionally to that, of course, you can select even an employee. We have Ruben Blom, who is going on leave, who is most qualified to replace Blom. You can see percentages of each employee to what extent they are qualified to replace him. Additionally to that, you can even search on any type of machine, for example, who is qualified for Epilog Laser Fusion Pro Series machine to work on that. You can see also a list of employees. And another powerful tool amongst other, next to the other tools and features AG5 has, is the alert list. The alert list gives you the ability to look also ahead in the next 6 months, for example, what training is required, how many people do we need to train, and why do we need to train them. So it basically allows you to look in the future and understand what training capacity you actually need or have, or training plans you need to create. So in a nutshell, AG5 allows you to define the training that is required for employees, whether it's from the HR department, quality department, operations department, R&D department, and then in a matrix you can quickly see, okay, is someone qualified to do their job? And also in the trees you can see, as you have seen before, you can create easy as Lego requirements from any type of organizational structure. Interested to learn more about software? Feel free to contact us. Then we can give you a more of an in-depth session, what capabilities of AG5s there are, and how we actually can help you with visualizing, identifying, and closing your skills gaps. Thank you for listening.